I fucked up. I tried to like take something close from Larry instead of just going fast.
Oh. Oh.
No!
Oh.
Mark, you're so stupid, bro.
Oh.
I didn't see it how fast he was going.
Wow.
I'm horrible.